Hey man, let's get real for a second. If you want her to chase your attention, it's not about acting fake, playing dumb games, or pretending you're too busy when you're not. It's about becoming a man whose attention is genuinely valuable, a man whose time, energy, and focus are earned, not handed out freely like a participation trophy. And when you move like that, she feels it, she senses it, and that's when the dynamic flips. She's the one chasing, investing, wondering where she stands with you. Part 1. Value your own attention first. It all starts with you. If you don't value your own time and energy, why would she? You can't fake it. You can't just say, I'm busy, and then sit around scrolling through your phone. You need a life, a mission, things that naturally prioritize your attention elsewhere. When she sees that you have passions, goals, and standards that aren't negotiable, when she sees that you're serious about what you're building in your life, she realizes that your attention isn't free, it's earned, and that realization, it lights a fire inside her to earn it. Part 2. Give less than you receive. Here's a secret early on. Give slightly less than you get. If she texts you a paragraph, reply with a few sentences. If she calls, answer warmly, but don't stretch the conversation if you have things to do. If she flirts heavily, flirt back, but don't overindulge. This isn't coldness. This isn't arrogance. It's control. It's restraint. By giving slightly less, you create a subtle tension that makes her work just a little harder to get more from you. And that effort builds emotional investment. Part 3. Stay unpredictable. Predictability kills excitement. If she knows exactly when you'll text, exactly how you'll react, exactly how available you'll be, she loses the thrill. But when you stay unpredictable, not in a toxic or manipulative way, but in an authentic, free way, you keep her guessing. Sometimes you're available. Sometimes you're focused elsewhere. Sometimes you give her a little more, sometimes a little less. This mystery keeps her invested in trying to figure you out. And that constant low-level curiosity, that's how you stay in her mind 24/7 without even trying. Part 4. Mirror her energy, then lead a master move. Mirror her energy first, then lead it slightly higher. If she's casual, be casual, but just a bit more grounded. If she's flirty, flirt back, but just a bit more confident. Never overcommit your energy first. Let her feel comfortable giving to you, and then reward it with slightly stronger masculine energy. This makes her feel like she's earning your deeper interest, and once she feels that, she craves it. Part 5. Be willing to walk away at any moment. The final piece, and the hardest one, is this. You must genuinely be willing to walk away, not out of anger, not out of manipulation, but from a place of pure self-respect. You know what you want, you know what you deserve, you know your value. And if she doesn't match it, you quietly exit without fanfare. That silent willingness to walk, that calm certainty in yourself, it's the most attractive energy in the world, because it shows you don't need her. And paradoxically, the less you need her, the more she wants you. Making her chase isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about becoming someone whose presence, attention, and affection are earned. When you live with purpose, when you stay unpredictable, when you protect your emotional energy, and when you're ready to walk away if the standards aren't met, you naturally create a gravitational pull that no woman can resist. She'll chase, not because you forced her to, but because you became a man worth chasing. Stay grounded, stay sharp, stay rare. I'll catch you in the next one.